Most people believe the middle-class lifestyle is a sign of success. In reality, it is often the reason people never become wealthy. This is not about blaming the middle class. It is about understanding how a well-intentioned lifestyle quietly drains money year after year while giving the illusion of progress. Wealth is not destroyed by poverty. It is destroyed by comfortable habits that feel normal. As income rises, spending usually follows. A bigger house, a newer car, better phones, more subscriptions, more upgrades that feel deserved. None of these decisions feel reckless. They feel responsible. They feel earned. But every upgrade creates higher fixed costs, and fixed costs reduce flexibility. The middle-class lifestyle is built around commitments, long mortgages, car loans, monthly payments. These obligations do not just take money, they take options. Wealth grows from flexibility, not from appearances. Middle-class success is easy to see. You can see the house. You can see the car. You can see the vacations. Wealth, on the other hand, is often invisible. It sits quietly in investments, in savings, in ownership, not consumption. Society rewards what looks successful today, not what creates security tomorrow. So many people optimize for appearance instead of resilience. A high income with high expenses is fragile. A modest income with consistent saving is strong. Comfort is not the same as security. Another powerful force is social pressure. Friends upgrade their homes. Colleagues buy new cars. Social media normalizes expensive lifestyles. Saying no feels like falling behind. So people say yes. Yes to spending. Yes to debt. Yes to expectations they never chose. Over time, money becomes a tool for fitting in, not a tool for freedom. Debt plays a central role in this trap. Car loans are normal. Mortgages are expected. Installment plans are everywhere. Debt is framed as smart and responsible. But debt forces future income to pay for past decisions. It limits freedom. It limits flexibility. It limits choice. Wealthy people are not anti-debt. They are selective. They use debt to acquire assets, not to fund lifestyles that consume income. The middle-class lifestyle feels safe, predictable income, clear milestones, a familiar path. But this safety is deceptive. When expenses rise with income, saving becomes optional. Investing gets delayed. Years pass quickly, and one day people realize they worked for decades just to maintain a lifestyle they cannot stop working for. That is not wealth. That is maintenance. Escaping this trap does not require extreme sacrifice. It requires restraint. Living below your means even when you earn more. Keeping life simple even when complexity is affordable. Letting wealth grow quietly without showing it off. Wealth grows slowly, quietly, and often invisibly. That is why most people miss it. The middle-class lifestyle promises comfort, but often delivers dependency. Wealth offers fewer rewards today, but far more control tomorrow. The difference is not income, it is behavior. If this way of thinking resonates with you, subscribe to Wealth Notes. We explore money clearly, calmly, and without noise.